Millions of people circle this mysterious black cube every year, yet only a handful have ever stepped inside. What secrets lie within the walls of the Kaaba, Islam's most sacred site? Today, we go where few have gone. Inside the Kaaba. The Kaaba, located in the heart of Mecca, Saudi Arabia, is the spiritual center for over 1 billion Muslims worldwide. Its history stretches back thousands of years, from Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail to the time of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. But despite its fame, the inside of the Kaaba remains almost completely unknown to the world. The interior is simple, yet every detail has meaning, and access is extremely limited, even for the custodians of the Holy Mosque. Inside, the Kaaba is a small, empty space, just 13.1 meters tall, 11.03 meters long, and 12.86 meters wide. The walls are plain, but the floor is covered with fine marble and carpets. Hanging from the ceiling are 3 lanterns, and in one corner, the Hajar al-Aswad, or the black stone, is placed in a silver frame. There are no idols, no treasures, nothing to distract the faithful, a testament to the Kaaba's focus on purity and devotion. Its walls are made of stone and wood, and the interior ceiling is lined with green and gold cloth. A small staircase leads to the roof, a place rarely visited. Only a select few people are ever allowed inside: the custodians of the 2 holy mosques, high-ranking Saudi officials, and occasionally visiting dignitaries under strict supervision. Entry is considered one of the greatest honors in Islam. Traditionally, the Kaaba is cleaned twice a year. During this ceremony, which dates back centuries, the doors are opened and the interior is carefully washed with a mixture of Zamzam water and rose water, a ritual that preserves both the sanctity and cleanliness of this sacred site. Over the centuries, the Kaaba has inspired countless stories and legends. Some claim that the inside holds hidden chambers or treasures, while others speak of sacred inscriptions lost to time. One of the most fascinating mysteries is the black stone itself, which many believe has miraculous properties, a stone kissed by prophets, possibly even from heaven. Despite its simplicity, the aura of the Kaaba has made it a source of intrigue for scholars, explorers, and historians alike. The Kaaba has endured fires, floods, and reconstructions. In 683 CE, during a siege, it was damaged by fire. In 1629, heavy rains caused parts of the walls to collapse. Each time, the structure was restored with reverence, preserving its spiritual essence. Interestingly, historical accounts describe small treasures being stored inside, as well as inscriptions of Quranic verses. Today, these are carefully protected, and the world is allowed only to imagine what was once within these walls. The power of the Kaaba lies not in what is inside, but in what it represents: unity, faith, and devotion. For Muslims, it is the Qibla, the direction they face in prayer, connecting millions around the world in a single act of worship. To step inside is not just to witness architecture or history, it is to feel a connection to centuries of devotion, sacrifice, and reverence. Though we cannot all enter its doors, the Kaaba continues to inspire awe. Its secrets may remain largely hidden, but its essence is open to every heart that seeks faith. Inside, there is simplicity, purity, and a timeless connection to God. The Kaaba is more than a building. It is a symbol of the divine, a beacon of unity, and a reminder of the sacredness in simplicity. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the Kaaba. If you want more historical mysteries and sacred secrets revealed, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.